And welcome back to the Integrated Media Center here on the campus of Geneva College. I'm Chris Matthews, the Sports Information Director here at Geneva, and today we are joined by Bobbie and Theiss, a pitcher on the softball team. You guys were in Florida for the last 10 days, and you just got back yesterday to 25-degree weather. So bummer for you, but what wasn't a bummer was your pitching over spring break. I think that first week you went 6-0. You were the PAC Pitcher of the Week, so obviously you had a very strong week down in Florida. So congrats and thanks for stopping by. So remind us, why did you end up picking Geneva College to come to?
I wanted a small, comfortable college when I was picking colleges. And I actually had family that came here and they recommended it to me. So I was like, okay, I'll try it. And this happened to be the only college I visited and the only college I applied to. So
good.
That's why I applied.
So what was working down in Florida as far as in the circle there? Obviously, you put up some pretty impressive numbers. I'm just curious, pitch-wise, what were you going to? How was that all shaken out?
Well, I usually go for my fastball. And now that my coach knows that I have a good screwball, he decided to use that a lot. So I technically went to my fastball and my screwball.
So is fastball the one if you're in a key situation, you need a key strikeout? Is that
if
the one
I need to pitch a strike, I usually go for the fastball.
Nice. So now when you guys were in Florida, usually you had a doubleheader in the morning, done early afternoon. I'm curious, what other things did you do in the afternoon and evening when you were free besides softball?
Well, he gave us 3 days off along with the afternoons after our games. After our games, we usually have a little bit of time in between team dinner, and then after team dinner, we would have the rest of the night off, and then on our off days, we usually got to go shopping or we went to the beach, and we actually got to go see the Pirates play the Twins, and I went to my first Red Sox game. So.
Nice. So switching gears just a little bit, I'm curious what your semester looked like, how many hours you got. You're kind of midway through the semester now. How are things going?
I could be doing better, but I mean, there's always room to improve. So.
How many hours do you got?
I'm taking 13 credit hours right now.
13 hours. All right, good. Now I always finish with final four quick questions. You just tell me the first thing that pops into your off the top of your head. Favorite thing you did in Florida besides softball? Do you have one thing that you enjoyed
going to the Red Sox game because they are my favorite team.
All right. So would you rather have an 8 a.m. class or a night class if you had to have one of the two? I know, tough decision.
I always like my sleep, so I would rather have a night class.
Gotcha.
Honestly.
No, that's all right. I'd probably be the same way in college. At Alex's, what is your favorite food station if you had to eat at one? No.
Probably the burrito bowl station.
Nice.
It's my go-to if there's not anything else.
And lastly, the most important, could Coach Fee get a hit off you if he stood in the batter's box?
I mean, I can always hit him with with one of my screwballs outside, but
if you gave him enough chances, maybe.
Yeah, if I did.
There you go. All right. Well, again, congrats on a really strong week down in Florida. That was really neat to see. Both you did well and the team did well, coming back with an 8-4 record. So thanks again for stopping by and joining us. That will do it for this edition of the Student Athlete of the Week. I'm Chris Matthews. This is Bobbie and Theiss. Until next time, storm on.